Maybe I should do with pick up the orange. I'm going to do a really flat 3D roses. You're going to pick up the beads first and let it just a little bit set. And then you're gonna sculpting it to like a half moon. And when it starts setting, you can using the tip of the brush, like how blending and spreading it out. At the first time when you're doing, you might notice that your petals a little bit thicker than you're expecting. Don't worry, just keep practice it again, and the second petal is gonna give you a better look. I did that with a lot of students and they get it in like one day. So you absolutely can do that. And then I'm gonna using like have holding your brush like 45-degree angle. It's not too flat and it's not too straight, so then you can able to get the powders, the beads, blending it without flattening it too much. You want to be not too flat, unless you're doing like encapsulating, you want to staying a little bit more like a flat. But if you want to do it up, you can, you want to get some 3 dimensions. Pick up the monomers and then you wipe off the brush in one side. Oh, Nene, you are allergic to soy sauce? What is Divas allergic to? So I do 3 petals first. Let me see if I add some purple on, it's gonna look like what? Just a little bit hint purple on, see how it is. You can add a darker purple too. If you want to like really deep purple, like a gel, it's give a little bit hint of it. Or you can do reverse, you can do, because it's too strong pigment, you can do purple first and then orange. Play with this and you see what you like more, I think. I'm going to the second layer of the petals. I'm gonna do it right where is that 2 petals meet, right there. It's still wet, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Doing second one. and then using the tip of your brush. So you don't want to wait until it's too dry. Also, you don't want to do it when it's too wet. And then using the body of your bristle to kind of design the crease on it to make it look nice on the petals. You don't want to do it too flat. If you want some purple on, you can. Just give you a hint of it. You can't really tell until you see it in person though. Just a little one in the center. I don't need this on. So you can do two colors, which is either you can do what's like have a nude and orange. It looks good as well. So I'm gonna connecting that center right there with this last petals, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it the swirl right in the middle using my the tip of my 3D brush. You can see that how you make it you can put the beads in there. This is one of the really cool and simple basics flowers. You can do super simple, easy. And I'm gonna go ahead and using the green. So the green colors. The green colors. If you want some shimmery like leaves, you can using that green. Or you can using the matte green. Let's see how dark this green is. Not bad. You can add like using two colors. This I'm doing it today. Just really is fun and simple. One colors, 3D. We can do like have a blend ombre, two colors, 3D.
ACC, so this is chisel. We will let you know when we have Glitz acrylic for sure.
Hey, thank you, Bella. Live ask who dressed like this?
She says Jenny Rivera.
Oh. That is awesome. So this is one colors of acrylic, and then it's also, it depends if you want like really orange one. For themes of Halloween, we're gonna continue doing a lot of different like a 3D for all of you as well. And then we can do one more on this one, and we'll put some beads in there or crystal, however you would like. And this is only one colors. You can add it more if you like. Let me show you right there.
Yep, so what happened is Jenny Rivera is a Mexican singer. She died in a plane crash. And when they found her, they found her in a dress, something like that.
Oh, it's good to know. It's so sad, but I don't know, the orange and the Orange and green is really, it's happy, like a good two color combination together. I don't know why, I like it a lot. I mean the green and orange, like that. Using the tip, and you can draw your leaves however you would like. Why is always famous people always die? So sad.
Oh, because that's the only one you remember.
You're right. I'll do a smaller one. Sorry, I keep moving. I couldn't see it. I want to get it set up different, so then you can see my face. But what happened on my face? I'm doing a lot.
Well, it just means like they can see you talking and they can see your focus. You get used to it.
Yeah.
Besides, you guys can reach like a small corner with your face. Mainly just still gonna be the nails.
Maybe we'll do one nails and in 3 other nails time we're gonna be talking.
Okay.
Okay, if I'm happy with this, you don't have to do anything else. I'm gonna put one bead here and then we'll call it good. So
wait till it dry, or do you just get a
no, it's good now. The flowers is good. So I'm gonna clean my brush really nicely and then cap on, so then it won't collecting any dust at all. Did you see my leads at all? The cap, I think. I mean, oh, right there. So that is the basics one, that if you want to do colors, I mean the 3D flowers is 1 colors, and you can do 2 colors, you can do 3 colors, you can do, but if you get like a first time you feel like your flower is like, oh, it's just a big blob of powder, do not give up, just try it again, because